Well, I think my experience aligns with the board in the sense that everything I've done in both 37 years of soldiering and 10 years running a strategy execution and risk advisory consultancy, working across multiple different sectors in multiple different parts of the world, all plays to the sort of things that Healix does in terms of particularly on the risk advisory, the resilience, the security side. But I think more broadly, I come at risk from a perspective of understanding the relationships across the spectrum of risk, not just security, and I think that's particularly relevant. The aims of the board are pretty clear. It's about thought leadership, it's about supporting operations potentially through the network, it's about providing support and mentorship to the Healix Academy. If I can do that personally within the board, then I hope that it's a job that's well done, and I think it plays very much to the sort of things that I've done earlier in my career.
I accepted the invitation to join the board because I wanted to be part of a team, not an ordinary team, but an exemplary team with huge amount of experience, but also the opportunity to work for an organisation that puts people first. That's totally what I'm motivated by, is people. I'm going to bring to the organisation over 30 years of experience of managing crises, particularly the crisis where someone's life is at stake. It's a niche level of experience, but it's one that I definitely know I can contribute to, and I know that I can save lives with it.
One of the main issues is that the security and risk culture has to be led from the top, and security and risk management needs to be seen as an investment, not a cost, which is often not the case. All too often, audit and risk committees tend to focus far too much on the downside risks facing the organisation at the expense of the often associated upside opportunities. I'm very impressed with what Healix are trying to do with the advisory board. The aspiration to be best in class means that a cadre of experts is going out there into the wild, essentially.